A bright man was once asked to describe Japan, so he designed the Honda NSX. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1997 Honda NSX Type S. The scale is 1/18. The manufacturer is Kyosho. The part number is 08081W. And the color is pearl white. This is one of the older Kyosho models, and I like how the inside of the box is garage themed. The Hamley sticker is still on the box, so I guess the original price of this model was £39.99 British pounds. Let's dig in. This video was taken on a late Friday night when I was very sick. So I'm aware that I was filming a white car on a white background and not exactly handling the model properly, but we've all done that. Okay, some of us have done that. The NSX prototype was first introduced to the world in the 1989 Chicago Auto Show, then factory produced in 1990 up to 2005. The car went through some changes during this period, like getting its 3.0-liter V6 engine on the NA1 models replaced with a bigger 3.2-liter V6 on the NA2 models, getting a Targa top in 1995 onwards, and a facelift in 2002, which deleted the pop-up headlights. This is an actual first-generation NSX 3.0 Type S. I've always been a fan of pop-up headlights, with the C5 Corvette and the Lamborghini Countach being my all-time favorites. The NSX is also on my list, of course. The wheels look a bit plasticky up close, but they don't ruin the look of the model for me. I like the clear Honda badge on all of them. The model is well built, as you'd expect from Kyosho. The interior black, blue and gray combination is pretty awesome. I bought this one from eBay in the summer of 2022, and at the time, I almost couldn't believe that I found an NSX Type S for a reasonable amount of money. The Type R is usually the most popular, but you can always find a Type S or two here and there. A bit overpriced in most cases, of course. The engine is nicely tucked in and easily accessible in this model, just like the real NSX. I blamed my tired mind on the night for not opening the lid to showcase the engine, but here's something to make up for it. The NSX is another legendary build from Honda. When you impress geniuses like Gordon Murray and Ayrton Senna, you can be sure that your vehicle will turn heads. It's well built, it sounds great, and it certainly looks cool, especially with its pop-up headlights open. And that's that.